Imagine waiting weeks for your custom parts to arrive, only to open the box and find misaligned holes, peeling adhesive, or components that don't function the way they should. It's a frustrating experience, and unfortunately, we hear about it happening more often than it should. In this video, we'll explore the most common converting quality problems, dig into the reasons why converters fail to meet expectations, and walk you through what you can do to ensure your next project is delivered right the first time. Common converting quality problems can range from cosmetic flaws to critical functional failures. Among the most frequent issues are inconsistent part dimensions, poor adhesive performance, misaligned layers or liners, off-center holes or registration marks, and misprints. These problems not only disrupt production, but can also lead to wasted materials, lost time, and extra costs. For many companies, such errors have become a recurring frustration, and when a converter is unable or unwilling to address and correct the mistakes, it can damage trust and project outcomes. If your converter is not meeting your quality standards, it could be for several reasons. First, they may not have the right machinery. The capabilities of converting equipment vary widely, and outdated or overly basic machines can't always deliver the precision needed for complex custom parts. Even if the converter can technically complete the job, a lack of advanced equipment or skilled personnel can result in inconsistent quality. Second, converters may overlook or mismanage tolerances. If you have overly tight tolerances or a critical tolerance to part performance, and it's not defined well, you could find yourself in a situation where you're paying for a tolerance you don't need, or you have parts that are not functional. Ignoring it or failing to adjust the drawing during the design phase can lead to serious production issues. Third, using the wrong material is a common mistake. Some materials make it more difficult to maintain tolerances or can react poorly under production conditions, causing instability or defects. Other materials perform fine in sheet samples, but they have full-scale production limitations. If the material selection is not aligned with the manufacturing process, it can lead to a lot of issues. A knowledgeable converter will take proactive measures to address potential material challenges. For instance, if your design involves a 3-layered part made entirely of highly flexible materials, a converter like Strouse may suggest incorporating a more rigid material into one of the layers to help ensure smoother and more consistent production. Lastly, an unnecessarily complex design can increase the chance of error. Simpler, more streamlined designs not only reduce costs, but also improve the odds of producing consistently high-quality parts. To ensure the quality of your converting project, the most important step is to set clear expectations and communicate them thoroughly with your converter. This includes providing a precise technical drawing, specifying materials, identifying critical tolerances, and explaining how the product will be used. The more context and detail your converter has up front, the better they can tailor their processes to meet your needs and avoid any potential pitfalls, because they have a better picture of what you are trying to do. It also helps to share your reasoning behind certain design or material choices, especially if specific functionality is required. If your current converter can't meet these expectations, it may be time to explore other options that offer stronger quality control and design collaboration. If you want to work with a converter that has over 35 years of experience, feel free to reach out to us, and we would love to set up a discovery meeting to talk more about your project. Thanks for watching.